I'm here for exhaust modification. I don't like the sound it makes. It's still a new bike, but no. This is very nice. Just received my 2 tips. These are my exhaust tips, and I want to fit both of them. My bike somehow it looks like as if it has 2 tips, but it's just 1 tip with 2 openings. So I don't like it. I like the independent tips, separate. It doesn't have 2 exhaust pipes. It has only 1 exhaust pipe. It's a 250cc, just 1 exhaust pipe with 2 tips at the end. So I want it to continue looking like that. This is Akrapovic. It's a good brand. I did my research online, and I feel like it's a budget friendly, and yeah, I hope it's gonna sound better, because the people I saw online who had fitted this sounded better than their original back boxes. I hope so. This exhaust pipe was only has 1 joint. You just open that bracket and you separate the 2 joints. Hii kitu ni mzito sana hii. Zikade. Well, after 3 hours, this is what we have, fabrication. That is a very huge exhaust. Okay, let's hear the sound. I can also make it more quiet by putting something like that. So these things are silencers. Once I put them, it will be it won't be that noisy. These silencers. After riding for like 40 kilometers from town, I figured out it was too noisy, too loud, extremely loud, and I'm trying to figure out whether if I install the silencers, if it's going to make any difference. I really hope there's going to be a little bit difference. Obviously it's going to be loud, but not extremely loud. So the silencers, they came together with the exhaust tips. You can see the tips. The guys who were installing fabrication, they did a good job.